Okay, so I have 3 computers that are not in use, but they've all got working parts, and I've got a shoebox. Basically gonna crack open each of these computers, and whichever one has a motherboard that fits in here, we use that motherboard, and we'll figure out how it goes. Okay, so I got these cracked open. This bad boy is the functional one, so we'd preferably be using him. Honestly though, I don't think the motherboard will fit. Huh. We might be able to make this work. Okay, so it's kind of a mess in here, but this should be doable. Just gotta pull everything out. Okay, now we can get to work at taking out the motherboard. Okay, first things first, gotta get these cards out of the PCI slots. Beauty she is. But I got this insanely dirty fan. Whoopsie daisy. What are these? I think these are my USBs probably. Seems alright. Front panel connectors, get out of there. Now we can start taking out the motherboard. Probably shouldn't be lifting it up by the CPU cooler, but that's fine. Man, it's like the size. We can make this work. Okay, so I'm gonna cut out a place for the IO shield plate. So I'm gonna take the shield plate out, one sec. Please. Ah. You know what, IO shield plates are too bougie for us. I don't feel like destroying that case. So, as you can see, our IO, you know, this block right here, for those of you unfamiliar, it's about yay big. Knife might be easier. I brought the cool knife. Okay, that's where IO is gonna go. Let's see what we got. Heck yeah, baby. Perfect fit. That's so metal. Frick! Not generous enough. Okay, I'll cut it a little bit bigger. Hoorah! Let's go. That's actually so pretty. I love this. Okay, before we commence, might as well get the PSU and the hard drive out to figure out how those logistics are gonna work. What are you stuck on? Oh, there's a bracket here. That's interesting. Just pulling all your wires. Heck yeah, baby. Oh my goodness. You're an actual behemoth. Jeez. You're pulling around my whole thing. What the frick are you even... Just what? Oh my gosh. This is my fault. I'm going through every stage of grief right now, dude. What the heck? What are you plugged into back there? This, don't know what it is. I'm pulling it. Sweet. Okay. Look at this bad boy. Look at all the wires. Like average non-modular PSU, but sweet. Okay, now let's get out the hard drive tray. Here's our hard drive tray. Now I gotta get out the hard drive. Beautiful. Western Digital, 1 terabyte. This should already have Windows 10 on it. Hopefully, I don't have to set it up. Okay, sweet. So we should be done with this hunk of junk case. Gonna throw all this stuff back in there. We don't need cases. We just need shoe boxes. Shoebox. Shoebox. Got the PSU. We've got the hard drive. I think it would be kind of funny if we mounted the hard drive up here so it swings around every time you open up the case. So I think next step, getting in the GPU, just figuring out this stuff that's gonna be coming out of the side here. This bad boy, pretty much demanding of us that we just break this entire wall right here. Knife. Heck yeah. Oh, frick. Okay, I messed it up. Okay, that's fine. I'll tape it together. Did I stab the motherboard? I might have stabbed the motherboard. That sucks. Stab my desk. Okay, I'm gonna switch to the scissors because it's safer. Go in. Sweet. We're connected. Grab you. Heck yeah, baby, we're being innovators. Just put a little bit more tape on there. Very awesome. Still closes. Kind of. This is all gonna just barely fit, I think. So PSU goes here, gonna cut a hole for that fan. And then kind of closes. I'm gonna try and see if I can get the hard drive to mount right here. So it's kind of taking the full blunt of the CPU heat, but we got tight quarters. Gotta work around it. And then I'm gonna try and put this fan, since there's pretty much no room inside the case, I'm gonna try and throw it on the outside back here. So we're gonna see how that works out. Gotta put in the Wi-Fi card. Look how cool this looks. Oh, my shoulder. Just hit it on the cabinet. No way! I got it! All the pieces are coming together. Okay, one of them didn't thread. I don't even freaking care. Yeah, I missed a tad. Let me dig it out. Oh. Oh, dude, that looks great. Sweet. Now look at this. You just got the hard drive just chilling there. And it perfectly fits. This is so awesome. I love how this is looking already. Like, look at that. You just got the shoebox with all the stuff hanging out. And boom, you open it up and there's a freaking hard drive and all this stuff. It's great. Okay, now the fun part of hooking up all of the cables. Now I come back for my seat the cable. Now this is the limiting reactant here. This is going to determine whether or not we can actually get this bad boy to swing. Because I don't know if it's that long. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh! We might get this. Oh heck yeah, that's in there. Oh my gosh! Let's go! Oh man. Uh-oh. Please don't do that. Okay, so I got a rough hole cut out for the fan. So I'm gonna pop it on. Okay, well that's more pressed in than screwed in, but still stable enough. Just feed the cable through this very nice hole. All right, so then system fan 1 right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there, the header. Sweet. Okay, so we're about to see if this thing will actually boot. Okay, fellas, this is more or less it. I got it to close. Looks pretty cool on this side. Looks pretty cool over here. Probably shouldn't have dropped that. Hard drive, CPU, RAM, graphics card, PSU, Wi-Fi card, the whole shebang. I'm pretty sure I'm not forgetting anything, so let's get this hooked up and see if it'll actually turn on, because that would be amazing. Okay, so I had it on the floor here, you know, so it picks up maximum dust in the carpet, and I plugged it in and that lit up for a second, so I know it's good, but I realized I need to get a power button, so I'm gonna strip one from this, so let's get to it. Okay, so I want this power button actually. This one is the coolest, and this should just pop off, I think. Oh, sorry, optical drive. It's my bad, bro. Please go back in. I really don't want to break you. Thank you. There we go. Cake. Okay, so pull the screw off. Come on. Oh yeah. I got the button. All right, now I gotta figure out these wires. I need these two. The black and green and white and green. Front panel connectors. Got one, and I got you. Sweet. Oh, it's been gutted. So the button is actually this thing, but I want to install the whole button because it's cool and I want to put the LED in there as well. So front panel connectors, however, are all the way in there. So, yay! All right, let's make some buttonholes. I want to go right here. So I need a hole there, just a tiny one. Oh, come on, dude. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. We only need one. That'll do. And that should still function, so that will make it funny. Did I clear? Oh, that's the wrong hole. Ah. Oh, heck yeah. LED's perfectly in there. Now for the button. Great, that works perfectly. Look at that. That's not gonna work. And lastly, we have the much dreaded part, actually putting these things in. I got those suckers. Oh, I bent the pen! No! Oh, I bent the pen. Just bend it back. It's all good, bro. This is it. Let's give her a test fire. Oh. The light's green. Green means go. We're great. Moment of truth. I don't think the button's pressing, honestly. Oh, it lit up. Yes. Okay, it immediately turned off, but it worked for 1 second. I think it's the button. Okay, it turned itself off about the same time again. I don't know why it's doing that. Pull the button away. Oh, okay, it definitely was the button. So now it's fine. The frick does that mean? Heck yeah, man. Right on. Can feel the air, baby. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah, I'm so proud of this. Okay, fellas, so I got a pretty rudimentary setup, and we're gonna see if it works. But first, I found this from the pilot episode of Paint Tech.
Hello, I am Jarek, and welcome to the pilot episode of Paint Tech.
And I think it should go right there. It's like 2 years old. Okay, let's see. Well, let's plug her in. So we press the button, which I've fixed. Heck yeah, baby. Let's get it. Please post. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm actually incredibly stupid. Some of you should have caught that. Oh my gosh. So you need to put it into the graphics card, like Computers 101. I should have figured out when this one wasn't posting. I should have been like, oh, silly me. No, I put in another one. I was about to switch out the whole graphics card. All right. All right, whatever, should be connected. It's not gonna be connected super long. Moment of truth, guys. Okay. Aww. Ah! Oh! Let's go! I'm crazy! I'm crazy! I'm crazy! Frick that. I don't even want to use this. I just wanted to build it and see if it was functional. Heck yeah, it's functional! Oh! Let's close her up. Heck yeah, man. That's awesome. That's so cool. That's metal. Ow, frick! Huh! Let's go! Oh my gosh. Let's go. The universal benchmark, baby. Oh, let's go. Oh, frick, I didn't choose ultra balance. That's okay. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh my gosh, boys, we did it! Errands due.